This is PJ with CLKsupplies, and I'm here with a 2018 Ford Focus. Now, we're gonna be using the SmartPRO today, but we're gonna be doing something different, all right? So we have an existing key right here, remote-headed key. However, there's multiple keys programmed to this vehicle. And so we're gonna erase all of the existing keys, and we're gonna add this one back in, and then we're also just gonna add a basic H94 into it as well. So this process is a little different than just adding a key. And so I'm excited to show it to you guys. Let's hop inside and let's get to work. All right, now that we have the SmartPRO connected to the OBD2 cable, we're ready to get programming. So we're gonna go to vehicle selection. We're gonna go to Ford. We're gonna go down here to Focus. Here we go, 2018 blade, right? If it has a blade on it like this, a normal style of a key, that means a blade, so we'll go ahead and click that. Then we'll go ahead and we'll hit connect, switch ignition on. So I'll just go ahead and take this key here, put it on, and hit OK. All right, now if we were just gonna add keys, we would just hit the add keys button and go down that route. However, in this situation, we're gonna erase the keys and we're gonna reprogram them back in. So let's say maybe this vehicle was stolen and the keys, and it was recovered, but the keys are still missing, or maybe the keys are lost and we're worried about it. Or if all keys are lost and you have to go down this method as well, you can, all right? So this is a little different than just adding keys, but let's dive into it and let's have some fun. So we're at erase keys, we're gonna hit the play button. So it says you will need to have two keys available for programming to be successful. Do you want to continue? Yes, I have two keys. One's in the ignition and then one's right here. So we'll go ahead and hit yes. All right, so it's going to do a little quick security bypass. Okay. Keys are cleared. Okay, cycle keys to program, press OK when finished. Okay, so I'm gonna cycle this key here, like that. See, it has a 1 there now, because that one's programmed. Take the other key, put it in, cycle it. Now you see a 2 there. That's how quick and easy it is to erase keys and add 2 new ones. So we'll hit finished, and it says that it failed, all right? However, I don't think that it did. So what we're going to do here is go ahead and try starting one of them. All right, put it in here. All right, so this first one is good. All right, put the next one in. Let's give it a try here. All right, so that was kind of a weird one, right? It said it failed, but it actually worked because we could actually see the keys get added in while we were cycling them, okay? So now there's a small possibility at the end of the cycle I didn't do something right, and maybe I didn't remove the key, and that's why it showed us that it failed. But when I saw that little icon popping up saying that they were working, well, you know, that they were getting programmed, well, I knew it would work. So there you have it. All right, and there you have it. So that's how you can erase existing keys and then add back in the ones that you want to. It's a really good feature. A lot of times people, they'll buy a new vehicle, maybe it came with 1 or 2 keys, but they're a little worried about it, and you look and there's like 4 keys programmed, right? So using a method like this will take all the keys out, and then the keys that are present or any keys that the customer wants to add, you can program them in together at that time, and your customer can feel secure that no one else has keys out there. So the SmartPRO did a good job. I would give it 4 out of 5 stars on this one. I think it did exactly what it was supposed to do. And I'm not rewatching this video, so I don't know if I maybe made a little mistake on how I cycled them at the end. So that's why I'm not giving it 5 stars, but it could be on me, so it could be a 5-star, I guess. But anyways, that's how it works. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Since you just watched this video, I'm guessing that you work with locks and keys. And to us at CLKsupplies, that makes you a lock boss. And we want to hook you up. Here's how it works. Throughout the week, join the conversation and comment on our posts and videos and include the hashtag LockBoss. It's free to enter this giveaway. And every Tuesday, we're going to pick 5 winners from the previous week and hook you up with all sorts of prizes, including gear, tools, supplies. We might even send you a key machine or buy you lunch. So if you're a lock boss, join us every week to learn, grow,